One, you coulda be a Capricorn when me knock it you can. So when me do reserve them a bullet and a prayer. Them no man a knock a the chop a the bad flyer. So reverse the earth gunshot chop up it higher. How we a make it up in your blind see cast fire up and rapid burst it a bust when it a wire.
Can't just a soul of the sad truth. Me find out the world colder than bad flow.
Nicki Minaj, a bigger artist than Cardi B. Saying, real life. May I tell you?
Bitch, at our party, we not invite them. Bustle up the car and the bike them.
Good day, my people. We have a lot of stories for you today. Welcome to Blabadem TV. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe.
Tell me why. Tell me, Bumbuckler, why me just learn sense in my head, people. Eh? Man them, we are fooling, brother. It's simple in a dog. Simple in a dog. You see, if you want a woman to just do most of where we want them to do, find one ugly girl. If you want pretty girl, 10 out of 10, 9 out of 10, 8 out of 10, understand, say, for the most part, them are going to give you headache. Because naturally, through them know, say, them look good, especially the one who natural, and look bumbuckler good. Because them know, say, them they on top of the shelf, them are going to give you more headache. Them are going to want something more out of way. So, which part we forgot? That's what I tell people, say, hey, average is not a bad idea. Dog, make we reason some more. You ever notice something yet, brother? We always find the girl with the right mind, but the wrong body. Right body, wrong mind. One with titty, one without titty. One with body, one without body. One with body, but no titty. One with titty, but no body. One who look tall, but kind of short. One kind of short, but kind of tall. One top heavy, one bottom heavy. One shape like triangle, one shape like zero. One shape like box, one shape like octagon. Bob Marley have a saying, everyone will hurt you, but it's who is worth suffering for.
Are you crazy over me? Are you?
You have too much insurance. Too much insurance. Yeah, I'm say, like him know him at, you know?
Wait, somebody in that number 2 bubble while you answer the question there. Are you crazy over me, baby?
Which number 2 bubble?
No, somebody just curious in a number 2.
In my number 2 bubble or your number 2 bubble?
My number 2 bubble.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you. Gracias, my dear.
So the person in number 2 bubble get the answer?
You go for it.
The person in number 2 bubble get the answer?
But yeah, clear as day, baby. Clear as day.
Just to say anybody in a competition?
I knew that. Sometimes I just want to test my talent. If I still got it, you know? Sometimes I exercise, you know? I've been working on it for years. So
thanks, God. You have to say talent. Get upon Oscar. So me ask you a question. I big up people them thanks for it. Thank you, babies. What a present thank you here?
Coco Ben.
They kind of tight.
My boy Chad. Wrong team, but big up yourself. Shanity. Nikki, big up yourself. 5-star, sexy J.
So what put up on the spot so you can say that and say it with confidence?
My persona, my ego.
Oh, your ego or my ego?
My ego. I just know myself. Me's not a loser. I never birthed a loser. So I'm not think say I don't play myself. Nicky, thank you. Sweet P, big up yourself.
Chat first double. So you're confident in when you talk certain things, you're confident in what you say.
100%.
Suppose not go so. Suppose not go so.
My hate forget sin, because my like stay closer to God. So if I did a lie, I would cry. If I thought it was a lie, I would cry.
Oh, you know that. This one, oh, you know that. Me to tell her that?
You don't have to tell me that.
Oh, you know.
It's sure.
You know what way?
You want me to go for some screen cards?
Jah, bless me going out and me coming in. Yes, I got to give thanks and praise to the King. Him that me there chanting and this big bad rhythm. Some a burn dirty life and me heal up the King. Pick up the Rasta man the hill planting. We plant the cassava, cocoa and ting. Some me burn down the bridges and burn them barriers. In a Jamaica we got the most warriors. Cause when we cry, yeah, we feel the pain. And when I smile, I know God is around.
No. Most tell me now wish you just give me a hint. I'm gonna let it go.
You tell me that shit every day. Okay. Dude, we're gonna start Rosa and chat the place and dance. Team 1-1 Rosa. 1-1 Rosa. Everybody jump a
Pass there. Well, all boss there. All boss need to left out our blood clot kitchen and go. Me hard him and see if a boy a blood clot, cause any one boy me done my life right away. I say check her page. Alright, let me see what she have to tell me, sir. Let me see what she have to tell me, sir. If it's a boy people, me end my blood clot life. I'm serious. Maybe they even a time, Anja.
I am so discouraged.
Yeah, man, this is the life. Yeah, man, this is the life. Yeah, man, this is the life. This is the life. Get the Roman chaser with the ice. Yeah, man, this is the life. This is the life. Man, I live alone.
Be discouraged.
Turn on your camera.
You don't hear my voice already?
Where? Remember we not take check, we can't take check, too much boy up on the internet to pose as woman, Turn on the camera and make people them see you.
Turn the camera on, I need to have to turn on the camera.
The camera on. Bro, everything, you're informer, Yeah, move like an informer. Everything, you're first person company live and I hear myself in your background. Bro, informer, like an informer, never see you. Boy, you're batty, boy, you come and worry about blood clot cartel. You don't worry about spice, you come and big up. Cartel don't know you're bad, man. You don't look on a boy page for Sean Star, man, matches about super. Cartel are a superstar. Yes, man. Come and worry about, man. Time and God, you turn on the camera or what? Take him off from my blood.
I turn on my camera a long time and turn off the back. The voice alone should know that I'm a woman.
Alright, have a good night, here.
Okay, good night, you too.
Waste my time. We don't buy pussy in a bag, Why you come on live if you don't show your face? Wanna see you? This boy come and worry about blood clot cartel. Cartel even know it. We're not gonna worry about that blood. Boy, we no boy ready for dead for bumbo clot cartel. What T boy? Yeah, man, but me have to talk about a superstar. So you're batty, man. You worry about that man don't even know say you exist. Cartel don't know say you don't exist, bro. Bro, I don't come to no senses, bro. Eh? Come to the senses, bro. Cartel and know so no blood clot exists. You come and kill up yourself over man, bro. Not even short him, say defend Cartel like I no blood clot. Boy, I wanna know come to the senses, eh? I wanna know come to the senses. Me no clot. Cartel have a much baby man and never seen none of them an advocate for Cartel like I no boy pan bumbuckler. Nah, bad boy, you come and kill up. Bro, it's only 2 man me blood clot beliefs if you kill up then say over Cartel a chance time and matches cause them do 13 blood clot years together. Who the fuck is you? Eh? Who are you? Eh? But when you come to the blood clot senses and start worry about boy what even know so no ex bomber class this boy your superstar. The man even know you, bro.
My belly so me pop it out like a chopper tip a fire rapid out. A some new gun come. Who know why hear new gun sound? Brand new rifle a true custom. Pop it in a Spain town and he move up down. No man inna the crew, no clown, no badness.
You know me exist can black me. Cartel motivate you them a blood clot. Why motivate you them for that? Motivate you get them for suck cock. Yo! Me not add no boy people, me not jump, you know. Big up for myself, yeah? Tomorrow again or Friday. All the real people, them big up on yourself. Active. Boss a laugh for me cut.
I don't know how a man earth when you talk about music and big up every youth we are try. A man go tell you say, yeah, goat, where man a fuck. A man go tell you say, fuck your mama. A man go say, artist a fuck you and your mama. Me's a man. No how a man for fuck me and me a man. Fix up on yourself, man. Remember, you know, me I talk about artists, you know. When you can distract me all the while, me notice. When me I talk about the artist, I give every artist them credit. Then it touch some point now, me have to label out some bumbuckler thing to not try, me couldn't understand, so brother, nobody no perfect. When you look, when I say the more disrespectful comment, you think me not gonna retaliate? Me I go run back on no bumbuckler. Zane, straight, as they say there. Uno as fans come here pick up for artists, brother. Me I talk about this artist, I don't mention nothing about that the artist. When you look, a man have to comment about that the artist then at this year. When you just talk about probably a Chronix, a Christopher Martin, a man I can tell you, say them the people that don't know body. At this a somebody or somebody. Them the people that have G-Wagon, I saw them I tell you now. Them the people that, I mean I say but what did them here youth here? Me meditation now they know where they saw. You always when time I turn on me live or I do something, check me comment them brother. Me talk about girls. The man then say me no like this artist. Brother, me a chat about Nicki Minaj and Cardi B and go check your comment. Every one of my video them man in a style me. Here what? You can't tell style me and tell me about my mother and say what you want to say. It is best to me ignore you know. And be the bigger person. And be the smarter one. Later it'll be greater. Yeah, youth. Youth, let me tell you this. I can't be partner soul. I don't deal with favoritism. I deal with give Caesar what it due to Caesar. Every youth deserve greatness. Every youth deserve to earn. Later, it will be greater. Jaja crown all plans with success. Later, it must be greater.
I pussy me take my money by them. Me coulda. Me not love money no dog. What the fuck me a the gun for run down boys? A condom me buy for run down girl. Me hardly use condom. Raw dog in a girl pussy brawling. Terrible wrist. I don't care. I'm tell you. No boots. Yo, one fuck some dog and wake up in the morning and one me not jump out that.
You know, go back home, dog. Come on.
Yeah, long time, man. A full decade, man.
I think that's 7 years, you know.
Or 7, yeah, something like that. 7 or 8, almost.
Yeah, something like that. 7 plus.
I think they said 2017 was the last time he went.
Mm-hmm.
So basically like a little bit right before COVID.
Like about Jamaica.
Who that? One Law, big up, bro.
Big up.
One Law, yeah, dude.
Well, you say One Law.
Yes,
you're going to get CJ, man.
2018.
Massive night, massive. Big up yourselves.
What's up, Trini?
Big up.
Big One Law, them now
I got
guess
King Tubbies and Black Scorpion and a clash.
Yeah, brother. I went sin.
Tubbies and Black
I bring in the bread for them,
in
so.
a week's time. Tell
I don't know, you know, you know, me left come America and see me a try sort out me in your life, you know. And we can have a better life and people can see you and see the struggles where we have come from. And this you do me. I beg you tell me pick them in a month. Then find me dead in the house and tell me pick them in a month. So then daddy did love them, you know. And then daddy did try and then daddy always make sure they have something, you know. Me I beg you to tell them, you know. Me I beg you tell them in a month. I beg you tell me picking them in a car. God knows I mean I deserve this, you know. Me trying up. Me try every fucking thing. Me clean all shit, dog. Hard shit. Clean people, yeah. Just put $1 together and starve myself up, yeah. Starve myself up, yeah. Just make sure some have something down there. And this
Pull up after you and I first now relax. Hold your jacket.
I hear that.
Them fi know the crucial get dark and done. Me no care who a get it, coulda walk or run. Somebody better fi go drop and ground. The war start and I got done. Them a try to beat me. The pussy them a try